Hello everyone. So today we are going to do a very minimalistic Office Republic Day celebration makeup look. So let's get into the video. So I have already put on my toner and moisturizer. It's very important to always prep your skin well because only a good base will always lead to a good makeup. But I'm going to further prep it by using this Smashbox primer water. I'm going to spray it all over my face. I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty makeup base. This is an illuminating base and it will add a little bit of glow to my face, and it is also a really nice base for your foundation to go on. Since it's the winters, it's still quite cold here, we want some glow, plus it's a festive occasion, so see how this adds so much shine and glow to my face and also glides on really well on the face. So I think this is perfect. Next we are going to start off with our makeup. So first thing I'm going to do is color correct little bit. So I'm using the Nika peach color corrector and just applying it where I have the darkest areas, like under my eyes and also on my eyelids. This will make sure that when you apply your concealer, there is no grayness. It will not be ashy, it will not look grey, and it will cancel out the darkness very well. On top of this, I'm going to use my regular concealer, which is my LA Girl. Next, I'm going to set everything in place using the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. So I'm applying this on the areas where I applied the concealer. Next, for the foundation, I'm using the Nika All Day Matte foundation. I really love the consistency of this foundation. It's not very drying, it's not very oily, it's just the perfect texture. And my shade here is 09 Nutmeg. I'm just using a very minimal amount because it's office and we don't want to do too much. So guys, how has been your new year so far? January is almost over. Did you guys take any New Year's resolution this year? Let me know in the comments what are the resolutions you guys have taken and how is it going. Even if it's not going well till now, it's fine. You can always start because it's not necessary that you have to start on Jan 1st. If it doesn't work out, then it's gone. You don't have your chance. It's not like that. It's up to you. You can start any point of time. New Year's is just a good motivation, I think. That's all. Otherwise, you can start a new habit, good lifestyle. Any point of time, nothing should stop you. And take it slow. Building a new habit is also not easy. So I think my resolutions for this year would be just to keep my health in priority. I want to upskill myself in few things and just follow a healthy lifestyle. I think I'm just keeping it simple. I don't want to complicate it too much, and then if I'm not able to follow it up, then I myself will get demotivated. So I think I'm just keeping it simple to set my priorities right and just try to follow a healthy lifestyle as much as possible. Next, I am taking a bronzer and taking a fluffy brush I will bronze my face very lightly, not much. Don't want my office colleagues to get a heart attack seeing me in full face of makeup. That too, I've joined a new office recently. So if you want, you can take a little bit of bronzer or contour powder on your fingers and just lightly contour your nose. That's it. Now I'll give time to my base makeup to set. Till then, I'm going to go into the eyes. Now eyes also, we are going to keep it simple with a little bit of hint of color. So I'll try to match my dress today. Let's see how it goes. Starting off with my eyebrows, I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. I combed the eyebrow hair so that I can see the sparse areas and just fill them up. I am taking this e.l.f. palette and from here taking the very muted color here, and I am taking a fluffy brush and applying it all over my eyelids just to have a nice base. Next, I'm taking this Nika K palette Lucky Charm, and I think I will use this color. I think it will match pretty much my dress. That's it. Next up, instead of using a black liner, today I'm going to go in with this dark brown color and just use that as a liner. And I'm going to use it a little bit on the lower lash line as well. I'm using the Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. I'm also planning to use the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. I have heard that it's very volumizing, and this one, Lash Sensational, is very no, this one is volumizing, sorry, and that one is very lengthening, the Sky High. So I think it will be a great combination to use together. So I think I will buy the Sky High one soon. For blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. It's this beautiful wine, muted wine color, and I absolutely love it, but we are going to use very less amount. I'm using the same brush with which I applied my bronzer, taking a little bit, dusting it off and applying on the high points, not on the apple of my cheeks, but from here up to my temple, and very minimal amount, remember, office. I think that's it. Next, for the lips, I am going to use something very nude. So let's see. So for lipstick, I think I'm going to use this combination. I'm using this brown color from NYPA. I absolutely love this brown color. You'll see why. And it also smells like chocolate. So this itself looks very gorgeous, but we are aiming for a very muted look. So on top of that, I'm going to go with e.l.f. What is this called? Blushing Rose. Perfect. Next, on top of that, I'm just using some lip plumping gloss again from e.l.f. This one has that tingling effect, and I think it does plump your lips temporarily, of course, but just a little bit. I think that's it. We are going to set everything in place using a setting spray. I'm using the Swiss Beauty setting spray. It smells very fresh. And it adds a very nice glow to your face as well. So here is the final look, and we are going to add this orange dupatta, keeping in mind the Republic Day theme. And I think, yes, we are ready to go to office and slay. Let me know in the comments how you like this very minimal and beautiful and easy makeup look to do. And guys, I also want to request you all to engage in my content, may it be YouTube or Instagram. That really helps me, I'm sure you guys know. So please engage, please watch, share, like, and also subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos, and if you also have suggestions as to what more you want to watch or how I could improve, please let me know. You can DM me or put in the comments under my posts. I would highly appreciate it. Thank you all very much. I hope you guys have a very beautiful, prosperous and happy, successful new year and the entire year 2023. Love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.